everyone, I'm Indah Sulistiawati. In this video, I'm going to explain a little about speech perception. What is speech perception? Well, speech perception is the process by which the sounds of language are heard, interpreted, and understood. And the study of speech perception are closely linked to the fields of phonology and phonetic in linguistics and cognitive psychology and perception in psychology. Speech perception and the brain. In the brain, there's some part that's worked to process the word. Broca's area, located in the left hemisphere, is associated with speech prediction and articulation. Our ability to articulate ideas, as well as use words accurately in spoken and written language, has been attributed to this crucial area. Findings also show that Broca's area is not limited to getting language out in a modern sense, but also more generally involved in the ability to deal with grammar itself, at least the more complex aspect of grammar. The second is Wernicke's area. This critical language area in the posterior superior temporal lobe connects to Broca's area via a neural pathway. Wernicke's area is primarily involved in the comprehension. Historically, this area has been associated with language processing, whether it is written or spoken. Now, the question is how our brain processes the word. When we listen to someone talking, the change in our brain's processing from not caring what kind of sound it is to recognize it as a word happens surprisingly early. In fact, this happens pretty much as soon as the linguistic information becomes available. When this is changing in speech perception, the brain's auditory cortex analyzes complex acoustic patterns to detect words that carry a linguistic message. It seems to do this so efficiently, at least in a part, by anticipating what it is likely to hear, by learning what sound signal language more frequently. The brain can predict what may come next. It is generally thought that this process localized bilaterally in the brain's superior temporal lobes involves recognizing an intermediate phonetic level of sound. At the end, speech prediction is a complex process involving a networked system of brain areas that each contribute in unique ways. Area beyond Broca's area and the anterior insula have been implicated in the complex process of producing speech movement.